Okay, got the video going. Yeah, first time doing video on this thing. Alright. Well, good vantage point. Alright, a day or two ago I seen a video on YouTube where the Russian pilots that were shot down had been returned home. And a fellow on the comments said he was looking for some other owners of SKS to do a 21 gun salute and have so many of us fire off a few rounds to salute the fallen soldiers, our pilots. I guess we're soldiers as well. And, well, I couldn't find the link, I couldn't find the video again, so I forgot how many rounds I was supposed to fire. Even though my SKS is actually a Chinese variant, the rounds are Russian, so it's all in the spirit. Just to salute this, y'all's loss. You were out there doing your duty, fighting terror, and some cowards shot you down. And those who came to find you were murdered in the process. And since I can't remember how many I was supposed to, I'll do a complete 21 myself. And see if I can get this thing set up. Excuse me, I'm working with a tablet here, so. And it's the first time using it, and surprisingly, bought my gun about a year ago. This is the first time I'm actually firing it. So hopefully we don't get any slam fire. And kind of a rural area. Shit. So, well, here it goes. Oh, safety. She got it okay to her. Timber! There's your 21. Rest in peace, fellas.